Hey meteorologist Pete Mangione here. Well, slowly but surely we're getting to those milder temperatures. Today I do expect inland spots to get into the low 50s or so. That's going to be tougher to do along the south coast where some onshore breezes will likely keep temperatures in the mid to upper 40s. But hey, at least kind of feeling like spring. Now, we have some milder temperatures on the way Friday, but it does come with a little bit of a trade-off. That trade-off would be some rain. So we are expecting some showers to develop late tonight into early Friday morning. They'll be kind of hit and miss throughout a good part of Friday. You can see 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, maybe a few showers for the morning commute. But a lot of this may sort of hold off until a little bit later on during the day. But during the afternoon, some showers and downpours possible. In fact, some showers are likely. The question is how much do these really fill in? It doesn't look like a great outdoor day on Friday. Maybe not necessarily a washout either. Notice as we go into Friday night, some downpours, even a thunderstorm or two is possible, although I'd say that's the exception rather than the rule. And then overnight and Saturday morning, here's the important part for the weekend. This is out of here by Saturday, so Saturday and Sunday look dry. Now, I should point out tomorrow a little bit breezy, especially during the afternoon. It'll be a milder breeze with some of those temperatures getting in the 50s. And then Saturday, it's a cooler breeze developing. The day doesn't start out so chilly, but it does gradually turn colder as those breezes move in from the northwest. Overall, though, not a bad-looking weekend for St. Patrick's Day. We'll have more updates throughout the day here on Weather Now. See ya.